interested to know how this true complexion contour palette works with my medium tan skin tones, then stay tuned. So hello everyone, today I'm just bringing you a real quick review because it's like everything is just like not going as planned. But just today, just real quick, because I am in a rush and I am really trying to go. Okay, so today, like I said, I had the True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance, and this is what the colors look like. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now this is not a first impressions. I've actually have used this contour palette before and I really enjoy it. But the thing I wanted to do is I know that this is a popular product and I actually didn't know that they had the light to medium. The one I saw was the medium to deep, and then it's another one deep to like extra deep or something like that. So I was like, I seen this at Target and I forgot how much I bought it for, but I definitely will link it down below in the description box. You'll also see some other links to my reviews and other videos, so check those out too if you are interested. But anyway, so yeah, so these are the beautiful colors and I will swatch them first before I put it on. So this is the contour shade on my skin tone. See, it shows up. This is the sculpt shade on my skin tone. And then this is the highlight shade. See, so beautiful. Now for this to be so affordable, it's very good. I really like this. I would say this is one of my favorite products. And if I'm not using my Black Radiance warm hazelnut, I'm probably using this. Yeah, so this is definitely one of my go-tos. So I'm gonna use the sculpt on this side, and then I'm going to use the contour on this side. So let's do the sculpt first. It does have a lot of kickback though, I will say that. It's very powdery. Now sculpt is lighter. Sculpt is lighter than the contour shade, like the look that I'm going for, because if I'm using contour, that means I'm more about the face that day. But if I'm using sculpt, I just want a nice bronzy color like back to my face. See, that really made a difference right there. And that was just the lighter shade. That wasn't even the contour shade. That was this shade. Excuse me, that was this shade right here. So I'm gonna wipe off my brush, just using some e.l.f. Okay, so that is wiped off. Now on the other side, I'm gonna use contour. This side also has some kickback, so let's tap that off, and let's get into it. See, you can even see sculpt is more of a like deeper color. I mean, excuse me, contour is more of a deeper color than sculpt. So let's just go back into that, tap it off, and let's proceed. Now you don't need a heavy hand at all. I know it says contour, but honestly, I use I use contour as like sculpt, but Sculpt is like snatched, honey. This is like, ooh, subtle. This is like snatched. I'm just gonna bring this up, and I mean, it doesn't matter too much because I'm gonna wear a hat anyway, so look, I just added some color back to my face with contour and with sculpt. We're also going to see how these wear throughout the day. Okay. Okay. And I'm just gonna take some down my nose. Alright, so contour, sculpt. So now I'm just gonna put on the highlight to show you guys what it looks like. Just using a regular little brush. I'm just gonna take some of that highlight. Now the highlighter is very glittery, like very glittery, and it has kickback like it's two brothers. And I mean, highlight is highlight. You really can't go wrong. See, look, see how beautiful that is. I absolutely love this palette. Like, this palette is just, it's affordable, it's high quality. I mean, you can't go wrong. Like, you cannot go wrong with this palette. Like, I highly recommend it. I love it, especially if you're my skin tone. The one after this, the contour shade, was like, I was looking at it, I was like, oh no, 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 no. Yeah, that's gonna be too dark for me. So let me just see what else they have. They also have this kit in cream. If you're new, if you're a beauty OG, you'll know what's in the makeup community and everything like that. But if you're a newbie and you may not know, you know, I'm just out here trying to give you some, like, you know, some tippy tips, you know. So that's the highlight. If you like this highlight, thumbs up. Like, if you like this highlight, get this palette. So we're gonna see how it wears throughout the day, because I don't think I've ever did an official wear test with this. We're gonna see if it fades, we're gonna see how well it holds up, and we're just gonna see what it looks like with me coming back today. Now we're gonna wear this these two for a full 8 hours to see, you know, how it holds up. Is it gonna be patchy? Is it gonna come off or anything like that? So yeah. All right, what's up everyone? Just doing a little check-in to see how the contour is holding up. This side looks a little muddy, but that's not their fault, that's my fault. Okay, so with this vlog, I'm in Marshall / Home Goods right now at Franklin Mills Mall, and I just seen this section. It is so cute. I can definitely see this in my future potential place, but $7.99, that's a little too much for me.
8 hours later.
So I am back, and this is what the contour side is looking like. Still there. And this is what the sculpted side is looking like. Now I'm liking both. Honestly, it's just depending on what I dip my my brush in. It just depends on what I dip my brush in. don't mind if you see like my concealer and stuff, it's kind of fading because I didn't set it, because again, like I said, I was rushing today. But this palette is bomb, guys. This palette is dope. I highly recommend this palette. As you can see, it lasted. It didn't fade, and I put it on at 3 o'clock. I put it on at 3 o'clock today, and it is now 1:30. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. I had this on for 10 hours. I had this thing on for 10 hours, guys. And as you can see, it's still looking good. Still looking good, guys. It's looking sharp. Yep. So if you guys are beginning, you guys just starting out, I really truly highly recommend this palette because, one, again, it's cruelty free. So if you're into animals and stuff like that, you know, it's cruelty free, it's quality, it's affordable. I didn't even realize this. Why did I think that this was paper, but it comes in plastic? I don't know why, but I'm just now realizing it. But guys, definitely one of my staples. Love this palette. Cannot rave more about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, okay? If you enjoy my videos, I'll definitely have more content out for everyone. I'm actually trying to work on it now, but my computer is broken, so it's kind of hard getting like content out there. But I'm trying, and I really appreciate all of you that have subscribed to me thus far. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.